Hello, beautiful soul. Thank you for joining me today for this morning meditation, a gentle way to welcome the day with ease and grace. When we wake up, our minds are fresh and open, ready to welcome new thoughts and possibilities. This is the perfect time to set a positive tone that can guide the rest of our day. Let's take this moment to create a foundation of calm, clarity, and balance that you can carry with you wherever the day may lead. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit in a way that feels supportive and relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Feel each breath bringing you deeper into relaxation, guiding you inward to the peaceful core of your being. This is your time to prioritize yourself. Let any external distractions fade away, as if they are drifting off into the distance. As you continue to breathe deeply, notice the sensation of your breath as it moves gently through your body. Feel it flowing through your chest, your belly, and into every muscle, loosening and softening any tension along the way. With each breath, imagine a warm, soothing energy filling your body. Feel this comforting energy flowing from the top of your head, through your chest, your arms, and your legs, all the way to your toes. With every exhale, release any tightness, allowing it to drift away like a soft cloud. Now bring your awareness to any thoughts that come into your mind. You don't need to fight them or hold on to them. Let them come and go, like leaves floating down a stream. Gently replace any stressful thoughts with kind and supportive ones. Remind yourself of the strength you have and how your body will support you as you move through your day. Now that your body is grounded and your mind is at ease, let's set a gentle intention for today. Take a moment to reflect on how you want to feel as the day unfolds. Do you wish for peace, joy, focus, or ease? Whatever feeling speaks to you, allow yourself to fully imagine it. Feel that emotion flowing into every part of your body, filling your heart and spreading warmth from within. Picture yourself going through your day with this feeling guiding you. Whether you want calm, confidence, or creativity, imagine that it supports you in everything you do. Now, visualize how you would like to feel at the end of the day. Maybe you want to feel accomplished, peaceful, or proud of the way you handled challenges. Let this vision take root within you like a seed planted deep in your heart. There is no need to force anything. Trust that the intention you have set will naturally guide your thoughts and actions throughout the day. Feel this intention gently settling into your subconscious, helping you move through your day with grace, ease, and clarity. Remember that your breath is always with you, like a quiet, dependable friend, ready to bring you back to calm whenever you need it. As you move through your day, notice how this intention gently guides your actions and reveals new possibilities, inspiring moments of joy and curiosity. Let this day be filled with love for you. Let this day be peaceful and calm. Thank you for joining me for this morning meditation. You are ready to embrace the day with ease and confidence. Remember, you already have everything you need within you. Take one last moment to soak in this calm. Know that this peace is always with you, ready to support you when you need it most. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and step into this beautiful day, knowing that you are strong, grounded, and surrounded by love.